Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add taxes to your site on Wix. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my site dashboard right now, and this is exactly where you want to start adding your taxes. Once you're here, what you're going to want to do is go to this left panel and click on Settings. Once you're here, you're going to see this Invoices and Quotes option, and you're going to want to click on that. It's under General, so you really can't miss it. And once you're here, as you can see, you can add taxes right over here. You can click Add New Tax, and as you can see, you can add the tax name. You can just name the tax whatever its name really is. For example, I'll add the VAT, and you can add the rate, which is in percents. So for example, 20%, and then I'll save. And as you can see, now I have added a new tax. As you can see, the tax name is VAT, the rate is 20%, and you can edit it whenever you want. I'll change it, for example, to 15 and then save again. And as you can see, that is all you can do. You can also delete taxes by clicking on these three dots and clicking delete and then confirming, just like this. And as you can see, now I don't have taxes anymore. And that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.